Anybody in here?
There are warnings of severe gales in Fair Isle, Hebrides, Bailey.
Stuck fast.
Good morning, everyone. Here is the shipping forecast for 0630 on Tuesday, December the 23rd.
What the fuck happened in here?
First, gale warnings. There are warnings of severe gales in Fair Isle, Hebrides, Bailey, Faroes, Viking, Forties. There are warnings of gales in all areas. The general synopsis at 0600. Depression North Atlantic will move east and deepen. Here is the shipping forecast for the next 24 hours. Viking southwesterly, veering westerly, gale 8 to storm 10. Very rough or high. Rain and wintry showers. Poor or very poor. Forties, Cromarty, 4th. Southwest 7 to severe gale 9. Occasionally storm 10 in Forties and Cromarty. Rough or very rough. Occasionally high. Wintry showers. Moderate or poor. Tyne, Dogger, Fisher. Southwest 6 to gale 8. Perhaps severe gale 9 later. Rough or very rough. Squally showers. Good, occasionally poor. German Bight, Humber. Southerly 6 to gale 8. Increasing severe gale 9 or storm 10 for a time in southeast. Rough or very rough. Occasional rain. Good, occasionally poor. Thames, Dover. Southwest 7 to severe gale 9. Occasionally storm 10. Rough or very rough. Rain, showers later. Good, occasionally poor. White, Portland, Plymouth. Southwesterly 6 to gale 8. Occasionally severe gale 9 at first. Very rough or high. Rain, then showers. Good, occasionally poor. Biscay, southwesterly 5 to 7, becoming variable 4. Very rough or high. Occasional rain. Moderate or good. Trafalgar, southwesterly 5 to 7, but variable 4 in southeast. Rough or very rough. Rain in northwest. Moderate or good. Occasionally poor in northwest. Seoul, southwesterly 7 to severe gale 9, decreasing 5 or 6. High. Rain or wintry showers. Good, occasionally poor. Lundy, Fastnet, Irish Sea. Southwest 6 to gale 8. Occasionally severe gale 9 later. Rough or very rough in Irish Sea. Otherwise very rough or high. Rain, then squally showers. Good, occasionally poor. Shannon, southwest 7 to severe gale 9. Very rough or high. Thundery showers. Good, occasionally poor. Rockall, Malin. Westerly 7 to severe gale 9. Occasionally storm 10 at first in north. High or very high. Becoming very rough or high. Wintry showers. Moderate, occasionally poor. Hebrides, Bailey, Fair Isle. West gale 8 to storm 10. Occasionally violent storm 11. High or very high. Rain and wintry showers. Poor or very poor. Faroes, cyclonic, becoming north 7 to severe gale 9. Occasionally storm 10 at first. Very rough or high. Rain or wintry showers. Good, occasionally poor. Southeast Iceland, northeasterly 7 to severe gale 9, decreasing 6 later. Very rough or high. Wintry showers. Good, occasionally poor. And that's the end of the shipping forecast. Good day to you all, and Merry Christmas.